Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressness Fluid Art Studio, and this is my beautiful pan of leftover colors. I hope I can get most of out of there, and if I want to add a few more things to it, I might do that, but I'll list the colors that came from the last video below this video. That's a little more saffron. And I'm going to use a 14 by 14 inch canvas and hopefully a shovel in a minute. I'm going to use some Artist Loft with Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Amsterdam. And I'm just going to do a swipe. I'd like to have a heavy enough layer of paint to tip. And I suspect that there is enough paint in that pan to do so. I don't want a thin layer of Artist Loft white, but I don't want it to be so heavy that I pour off a big mess, which tends to be something I'm not appreciative of. I'm not going to worry about my edges. It's especially handy right now because that gives me something dry to hold on to if I do decide to tip. And I have an edge catcher handy. And I have to decide if I'm going to shovel or pour. And if I put a little bit of Amsterdam, it's a lot thicker than the alternative. A lot. And I will need a spatula, and I did hide them on myself. I have a large spatula, a medium size, and a small. I should show you those. Large in the middle, medium, small. They're on my Amazon link also. So I am going to start with a shovel, and if I change my mind, so be it. I've never used my leftovers like this that I can recall anyway. I mean, there's probably a time I did and I don't remember. Now I could probably just tip without swiping, and I might move the paint around. I do have Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, which I could take some paint out of this shovel with. Paint is just beginning to set up. I so want to tip, I can't tell you. I really do. Yep, I've got plenty of paint. I could have just laid it across, like in stripes like that. But then I'm afraid I'd lose some of whatever I'm afraid it's defying description. How about that? The paint pan still looks delicious. But it's time to put it in the bucket, so I'll be able to use it another time. We'll see. We'll tip in a second and see what happens. I want to add some gold to this. I actually want to grab the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula I was talking about. The number 1. Maybe I should just do a partial swipe through. That might be very telling. Might inform us of what might happen. In the meantime, my spatula is telling me to go ahead and grab everything out of this that I don't want in my paint water bucket. And I'm going to have to tip relatively soon. All right. That's a lot of interesting colors. I think somewhere I have a small spatula that I've hidden on myself. I found it. Cool. So, black cell activator, Artist Loft. Excuse me, black cell activator, Amsterdam. I am confused right now. It's the end of the day and I'm on a tight schedule to make dinner. I'm not making dinner, I just have to get to it. So this is my idea of using the small spatula. And the cell activator will be listed underneath the video. I kind of want to make sure that I have a chance to come back and do another pass. But I'm not sure how much of a pass I want to do. I kind of think it'd be good if it were smaller. I think I want some white along with the black. It's been something I've been doing a lot of lately. I still want the gold though. The gold lacing just floats my boat something terrible. So that's interesting. I need to wipe that off. That's highly unusual. Usually I have a scrape dish handy. So, what else? This down here is kind of calling me, but maybe I ought to use the edge catcher and see what happens before I go on any further. I love all of this though. I don't know. I might regret this. Probably not. Let's hope not. I rock my edge catcher when my paint gets there. I'm sure to lose something that I like. Like maybe some negative space even. Now if I'd leave some paint on the edge catcher, I could put it on the other side, but right now I feel more like tipping it back in and letting it flow down and hitting it with some black cell activator again right here. Whoops, slipped right off. Alright, outside of that hard line, it's kind of different and interesting, and I want to blow into it with a straw, see if I can break up that hard line. A little bit concerned about what I want to do with this in here, and I've got some Maiden black paint and I kind of want to use it. I just feel like I need something black there. Hopefully I've still got some kind of thumb hold. I got to leave a little bit of an impression in the painting. Should have tipped it back in. It's going to be interesting, I'm pretty sure. more so now. I'm not sure why that other paint isn't moving, but it's definitely different, and different is always interesting. And I still have a little tiny bit of negative space left. And I am dripping all over the place. I'll let all that go right back where it came from. And then maybe I might make dinner on time too. That green is really loud. And I've got paint on my edge catcher if I want to use it to cover my edges. But that's pretty wild. I've got a few bubbles. This is cell activator again. There's all kinds of colors in there. All kinds. I think I'm done. I'm as done as I can be for now. And it's interesting. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. It's got some beautiful stuff going on. It's also got some stuff going on. Where's my tweezers? I see that thing that does not belong. Sometimes they're optical illusions. I think that was. Whatever I need to cover in the way of edges, I'll cover tomorrow. I see this one spot over here that's kind of bugging me, and I'll fix that with some, hopefully with some paint from the edge catcher. And I guess that's it. There are a lot of really beautiful aspects to this. I'm not sure what else to tell you. It seems like I couldn't possibly be under the camera for some reason. But I'm going to shimmer that at you if I can turn off enough lights. I'll start with this one. I've got to go all the way around behind. That's just wild and fun. And I'll be touching up my edges for a second. Oh yeah, wow. Okay. I think I love this. There might be a couple things I want to change about it, but not much. Not much at all. Pull some of the paint over the edges where it's necessary. That's just wild. Wow. And sparkly. And I will list the colors below the video, and my battery's going to die. And the couple of places that I want to change I want to lead that to the edge. But other than that, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate the morale boost it gives me. My paint pouring recipes are below. Show more. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do sell my artwork, and I like this a bunch of different directions, actually. It's psychedelic for certain. And I love you guys. You inspire me always. Please check my link tree for my couple of websites. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, fineartamericapixels.com. You can have my artwork reproduced any number of places on whatever they sell. My Amazon link is on the link tree also. My Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 books are the first and the second 100 videos I made for about paint pouring for YouTube. Forgetting something. I have 31 playlists with 100 videos on them each that you can watch. And if you like a topic or genre, they're all organized that way as well. Thank you guys for the donations through PayPal. The link is under the video somewhere. I think it's on the link tree too. And thank you for joining the membership. Please join the membership. It's $9.99 a month, but you get access to over 200 videos for members only. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to say goodbye for now. And I can't tell you how much prettier this is in person. Anyway, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I have a sale on until November 15th, 2023. Half price on everything. Well, almost everything. And I love you. Again, bye for now. Priscilla out.